Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 3.6. Before the exercise 3.6, you will see that example 19. Example 19 is a most important question for board exam. So you will see example 19. Then exercise 3.6. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. So reducing method means that will be do like this: 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and then second equation is 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. 13 upon 6. This is a given equation. So first of all we will reduce the value. Let 1 upon x, here is 1 upon x, also here also 1 upon x, both places 1 upon x is there, so that will be a, and 1 upon y, 1 upon y, 1 upon y, that will be b. This is the reducing method. So that will be equation a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2, and then second equation will be that a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. In these two equations, this is the first equation, second equation, so that will be third and then fourth. In this equation, first of all we will do that by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 2. We are balancing the b, so that will be 3a upon 2, 3 1 ja 3, plus 3 cancel by 3, so that will be b is equal to 3 2 ja 6, and then 2a upon 3 plus 2 cancel by 2, that will be b, and then 2 3 ja 6, so that will be 13 upon 3. 13 upon 3. Now sign, we will change the sign because it is the same sign. So by subtraction, this will be cancelled, and then when we will add this one, subtract, so 3 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3, that will be 9 minus 4 upon 6, so 5 upon 6 will be that, 5 upon 6 a, 5 upon 6 a is equal to, this one also we will subtract, 6 minus 13 upon 3, 3 6 is 18 minus 13 upon 3, so 18 less 13, that is a 5 upon 3. Now by a is equal to 5 upon 3, this thing will go that thing like this, 6 upon 5, 5 cancel by 5, that is 3 2 ja, so a is equal to 2. Now putting or placing, putting a is equal to 2 in equation third or fourth, so that is better third, so a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2, so value of a is that 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 1, so that b upon 3 is equal to 2 minus 1, so b is equal to 1 into 3, that will be goes that side, b is equal to 3. Now we have find the a and b value. Now replacing the value, replacing the values of A and B. A and B. Now see that we have let this one. So 1 upon x is equal to A. So that will be 1 upon x is equal to A value we have find here 2. So that will be by cross multiply 2A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the answer. And then for y, 1 upon y is equal to b. So that 1 upon y is equal to b value is 3. Like this, 3y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 upon 3. These two are the answers, right? And then next question, second part, 2 upon under root x plus 3 upon under root y is equal to 2, and then 4 upon under root x minus 9 upon under root y is equal to minus 1. So that is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now let 1 upon under root x is equal to a, because 1 upon x under root x, 1 upon under root x is given here. So 1 upon under root y, see that under root y is the same thing, that will be b. Next, that will be 2a plus 3b. On the place of 1 upon x we have written here a. On the place of 1 upon y we have written here b is equal to 2. Similarly here we will do 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is the third equation, this is the fourth equation. Now we will balance this equation because sign is already changed here. So we will multiply by 3. So 3 3 is 9, that will be, or this one multiply by 1. So that will be, see here, 3 2 is 6a plus 3 3 is 9b is equal to 3 2 is 6, 4 1 is 4a minus 9 1 is 9b minus 1. On add because already sign is changed. So this is a cancelled. 6 4 10a is equal to 5. 6a is equal to 10a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 upon 10. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. A is equal to 1 upon 2. Now putting a is equal to 1 upon 2 in equation third or fourth, which is the third is looking better in equation third. So third equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So 2 into, on the place of a we have written 1 upon 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. So 2 cancel by 2. So 3b is equal to 2 minus 1, that is gone that side. So b is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Now replacing the value. Replacing the values of a and b. So that 1 upon under root x is equal to a. So that will be 1 upon under root x. So 1 upon under root x, that value of a is 1 upon 2. We can cross multiply under root x 1 ja, under root x is equal to 2 1 ja 2. When we will remove this under root, then that will be square, that means 2 2 ja 4. And then 1 upon under root y is equal to b. So 1 upon under root y is equal to b value is 1 upon 3. By cross multiply under root y is equal to 3 1 ja 6, then by under root that will be 3 3 ja 9. These two are the answers. And then third question, that will be 4 upon x plus 3y. And one thing is given, one variable is given in upon and one variable is given on the numerator place. So here is just some, there is no problem is there, but you can be confused here. So I am telling, one thing is given in numerator place and one variable is given in denominator place. So that will be 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14, and then 3 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 23. That's the first equation. The second equation. Then again we will see here, let 1 upon x is equal to a, or you can suppose this value also y is equal to b, or no need to suppose that one. So that will be 4a plus 3y is equal to 4, or you can suppose here also y is equal to b, that will be 3b is equal to 14, or this will be 3a minus 4b is equal to 23. This is the third equation, this is the fourth equation. Now again we will balance b variable, so that will be 4 multiply and multiply 3, because 4 is there and 3 is here. Now 4 4 is 16, a plus 12b is equal to 14 4 is 56, 3 3 is 9a minus 12b is equal to 23, 3 is 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 69. On add, because already sign is changed here for cancel. So 16 plus 9, 25a is equal to, that will be 5 6 6 12, 125. By cancel of that thing, that will be 5. So h is equal to 5, a is equal to 5. Now putting a is equal to 5 in equation third or fourth. So that is, fourth is better or third is better. You can place in equation fourth also. So 4a plus 3b is equal to 14. So 4 into 5 plus 3b is equal to 14. So that will be 4 5 ja 20. So 3b is equal to 14 minus 20. So b is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Minus 6 upon 3. So 3 2 ja 6. So b is equal to minus 2. Now replacing the value. Replacing the values of a and b. So that a is 1 upon x is equal to a. So that will be a 1 upon x is equal to a value is 5. So we can reciprocal of both, x is equal to, that will be 5, and then y is equal to b. So y is equal to, that is minus 2 is already here. Okay, and then question number 4, sorry, part number 4, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to, this is the 2, and then 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 upon x minus 1, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2, 6 upon x minus 1, 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So here the simple thing, This is the first equation. Second equation, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b, because x minus 1, y minus 2, y minus 2 is there. So that will be 5a plus 1b is equal to 2, and this will be 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Third equation, fourth equation. Multiply by 3 because, and then by 1. This has gone there and this one has. So this will be 3 5 ja 15a plus 3b is equal to 3 2 ja 6. 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. On add because already sign changed here. Cancel. 21a is equal to 617. So a is equal to 7 upon 21. 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. So a is equal to 1 upon 3. A is equal to 1 upon 3. Now putting a is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation fourth is better now. So 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So 6 into 1 upon 3 minus 3b is equal to 1. 3 2 ja. So minus 3b is equal to 1 minus 2. So that will be b is equal to minus 1 upon minus 3. So minus cancel by minus. So b is equal to 1 upon 3. Now replacing the value. Replacing the values of a and b. So 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a. So that is 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a value is 1 upon 3. So by cross multiply, x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. So x is equal to 4. Now for b, 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to, b value is 1 upon 3. So by cross multiply, y minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 1 ja 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 2. So y is equal to 5. These two are the answers. Okay. And then question number fifth and sixth. Both questions are the same. Means that method is same. So I am leaving the fourth question. Okay, you can do very easily when you will be concentrate on question number 6. So fifth part you can do at home, and I am doing here sixth part. So what is the sixth part is that? Sixth part is 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy, and then this is a 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. So that xy is creating the problem. So this one will be do like this: 6x plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6 for equation first, right? So that will be 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6. So y cancel by y and x cancel by x. So that will be 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6. This will be third equation. And then for the second equation, similarly we will do 6x plus 4y upon xy is equal to 5. That means 2xy plus 4y upon xy, and then x cancel by x, y cancel by y. So that is 2 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 5. This is the fourth equation. Now now that will be 1 upon y is equal to a, and let 1 upon x is equal to b. So that will be 6a plus 3b is equal to 6, and for this equation that will be 2a plus 3b is equal to 5. Now we are looking, these two are the same, so no need to do anything on subtract, because we need to change the sign. That's a cancel. So 4a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 upon 4. Now putting a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation, that will be fifth equation, or this will be sixth equation. And in which equation we will place? Fifth or sixth, because there is a and b. So which that will be better? B. Oh 6. So sixth equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 5. So 2 into 1 upon 4 plus 3b is equal to 5. So 2 2 ja. So that 3b is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 2. So b is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to, that will be 5 to 10, 9 upon 2, and then that 3 also will come here. So 3 3 ja. So b is equal to 3 upon 2. A is equal to 1 upon 4, b is equal to 3 upon 4. Now replacing the values of a and b. So 1 upon y is equal to a. So 1 upon y is equal to, a value is 1 upon 4. So by cross multiply, y is equal to 4. This is the answer. And for b value, 1 upon x is equal to b. So 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon 2. So by reciprocal, that x is equal to 2 upon 3. And this is the second answer. And then seventh part and seventh part. Ten upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. This is the first equation. And then 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. Now here we will let 1 upon x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So that equation will be 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. This is the third equation. And then 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Or you can take the LCM also by 2 LCM, that will be 5a plus b is equal to 2. By the 2 LCM we have cancelled by 2, this one and this one also. So that will be third equation. And this one also we can do like this also, that will be 3a minus b is equal to minus, no, this one we can't do that, also this one also leave that. This one will be third equation, and this is a fourth equation. Now we will balance B. So that will be 2 or this will be 5. So 5 10 ja 50 A plus 10 B is equal to 5 4 ja 20. And then 15 2 ja 30 A minus 10 B is equal to minus 4 on add because already sign is changed. 50 30 80 A is equal to that will be 16. So 16 1 ja 16 5 ja. So A is equal to 1 upon 5. Putting A is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation third or fourth, which is better? Both are the same. So like we will write here third. That 10A plus 2B is equal to 4. So 10 into 1 upon 5. The value of A is that one 1 upon 5 plus 2B is equal to 4. 5 2 ja 10. So 2B is equal to 4 minus that one 2. So B is equal to 2 upon 2 cancel, that B is equal to 1. B is equal to, we have seen here, looking here 1. Now replacing the value. Replacing the values of A and B. So that A is 1 upon x plus y is equal to A. So that 1 upon x plus y is equal to A value is 1 upon 5. So that 1 by cross multiply x plus y is equal to 5 and 4. B value 1 upon x minus y is equal to, that will be 1 upon x minus y is equal to, this will be 1, that is also like this, by cross multiply x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation number 5th and this is the 6th. Now equation, it means here the equation 5th and 6th also is there. So we will do here equation 5th plus equation 6th because already sign is changed here, see that. So x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1 on add. This is the cancel. So 2x is equal to 6, so 2 3 is 6. So x is equal to 3. This is the answer. And then again putting x is equal to 3 in equation 5th because x y is there. So x plus y is equal to 5. So that is 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. This is the another answer. And then most difficult question of this exercise, that is 8th part. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. And then 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This thing is given here and we can see the one time more that question. Write it 3 upon 4 2 3x plus y 2 3x minus y, that 1 minus 8. Yes. Now let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to, that will be b. So for first equation that will be a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the third equation. And then that will be a upon 2 minus, that is the same thing is there, 2. Yes. So that b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Why this is this? Why this has come? Because 2 is separate. This 2 is separate. This is a 3x plus y, 3x plus y. So this will be, we have let here. So this will come same. This is the fourth equation. By multiply 1. So that equation will be balanced. This variable will be balanced. So that will be a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4, and this will be a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4, because that is a 2 cancel by 2 cancel by 2 4 ja 8. Now that will be on add because already sign is changed here. This will be cancelled. So 2a is equal to, this will be 2 upon 4 because 3 less 1 2. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So a is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2. So a is equal to 1 upon 4. Now putting a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation third, because third is better. So third equation is a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So a value is 1 upon 4 plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So b is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. When we will subtract this thing, that will be b is equal to 2 upon 4. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So b is equal to 1 upon 2. Well, now we will do replacing the value. Replacing the values of a and b. A value is where we have supposed that here 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a. So that is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a value is 1 upon 4. By cross multiply, that will be, by cross multiply 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation number 5th. And then for value b, that will be 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b value b. So 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b value is 1 upon 2. So by cross multiply, that will be 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation number 6. Sixth equation. Now see the fifth and sixth equation. So that y is same, y variable is same. So fifth plus sixth, because sign is also changed. 3x plus y is equal to 4, and then 3x minus y is equal to 2. This cancel on add, because sign is already changed. So that is 6x is equal to 6. 6 cancel by 6, so x is equal to 1. Now putting x is equal to 1 in equation 5th or 6th. That 5th is better. So 5th equation is 3x plus y is equal to 4. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 ja 3. That has gone minus, in minus that 1 is the answer. It means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. That is the answer. Now you will be see that word problems. These are not a difficult. This question was very difficult. See that. Question number 2. Formulate the following problem as a pair of equation and hence find their solution. Second question. First part is there. Ritu can draw downstream. Downstream is with the speed of water also, water 20 km in 2 hour and upstream 4 km in 2 hour, 4 km in 2 hour. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. Current means the speed of water. So first of all, let speed of Ritu is equal to x and speed of water or current we can also write here y, right? So case first, that will be that 2x plus 2y is equal to 20 km. It means Ritu plus water speed is equal to 20 km. When downstream, then that will be plus. When that will be upstream, then that will be minus. So 2 can be take the common, y is equal to 20. So 2 10 ja 20. So x plus y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. And then that one, next one is and upstream 4 km in 2 hour. So that will be case second, 2x minus 2y is equal to 4 because that is going upstream. So that time multiply speed is equal to distance. So 2 is common. So x minus y is equal to 4. 2 is a 4. So x minus y is equal to 2. That is the second equation. When you will be solve these two equations by elimination method or by reducing method or by any method, cross multiplication method, then their answer will be come. And then second part is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women, 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So solution, let first is 1 woman alone can do work is equal to x days and 1 man can do work is equal to y days. So case first that will be x 2 upon x plus 5 upon y. 5 upon y is equal to, that will be 4 days. So that will be 1 upon 4. This x has come denominator side. Why? Because this is the inverse variation. When any work is going in a statement form, that is a inverse variation. So that will be first equation. And then case second, this will be 4 upon x plus that 6 upon y. 6 upon y is equal to, this will be 1 upon 3. This is the second equation. When you will be solved by elimination method, then your answer will come, and you can see that by elimination method here multiply by 2, here multiply by 1. So that will be 4 upon x plus 10 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2. So this will be 4 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 1 upon 3 on subtract minus. This will be cancelled. So that will be 10 less 6, 4. 4 upon y is equal to, this will be subtract 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3 minus 2, 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. Again see that 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. That will be 6 is a LCM. 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2. So that will be, so y is equal to 6 4 ja 24 days. It means y value is y for man is there, so days. Man can do work 24 days. Putting y is equal to 24 in equation. Which equation is better? This equation is better. So 4 equation second, 4 upon x plus 6 upon y, that 6 upon y is equal to 1 upon 3. So x is equal to 4 upon x plus 6 upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 3. 6 4 ja 24. So 4 upon x is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So 4x is equal to 4 3 ja 12. 12 is LCM. 4 1 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 1 upon 12. So x is equal to 12 4 ja 48 days. So woman can do in 48 days and that man can do in 24 days. Now the third part. Ritu travel 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She take 4 hours if she travels 6 km by train and the remaining by bus. If the travel 100 km by train and remaining by bus, so they take 10 more longer. Find the speed of the train and speed of the bus. So let the speed of train. Let speed of train is equal to x and speed of bus is equal to y. So case first. So that she travel by train 60 km. So 60 upon x plus that left distance is 240 because total distance is 300. Y is equal to that taken by 4 hour. That taken 4 hour. So this is the first equation. And then case second. That is first by 100 km. 100 upon x plus that left is 200 distance. Y is equal to 4 plus that 10 minute longer. That means 10 upon 60. That 6 cancel by 6. So 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 4 6 are 24 1 25. 25 upon 6. When you will be solve these two equations by reducing method or by any method, then your answer will be come. Or first of all we can see this one also one time more. So that is 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 that 1 upon 2, 4 6, this one, this is cancelled, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, that is okay.